Where do we hire employees? Ayush Farms, located in Himachal Pradesh in India, hires employees from the local communities to help support the area that has given our herbs a great home. Ayush Herbs utilizes many Ayurvedic herbs in its formulation. In order to supply the most potent and pure herbal products, we proudly grow our herbs in their traditional habitats using traditional farming methods to bring the most out of these amazing plants. Additionally, at our farms in Himachal Pradesh, India, we proudly work with and employ those in our local communities and support the communities that, like our plants, have always called India home. Unfortunately, work is difficult to find in many parts of India, as in many parts of the world, so sometimes it takes the employers themselves to step up and make a difference. Ayush Herbs has used local hiring practices since its inception. That is because our founders, including me, are from Himachal Pradesh, India, and proudly support their home and communities. Beyond supporting our community, the plants are also supported because our local farmers contribute to the quality of our herbs and by extension our products we offer you. Ayush focuses on supporting women in the workforce by preferentially hiring women in the need and providing a proper living wage to women and all our employees. We ensure equal opportunities and room for advancement for all our employees. We give back to our community by providing electric power to the area. We also provide clinical services and Ayurvedic medicine in free clinics in our local community. Ayush Herbs is proud to champion growing herbs organically, locally, and with the very people who grew up next to these plants we process. We believe that this dedication to planet, plants, and people reflects the potent nature of our supplements.